All right, guys. Good afternoon. My name is Chooks. Welcome back to another session of trade analysis for the week. A new trading week will be resuming today at the open of the Sydney session and the Asian session. So, guys, we're going to look at all our trade setups we had last week, and of course, continue from where we stopped. Okay. So, first of all, let's look at the economic calendar and look at the news events that will be coming out in the course of the week that will have effect on our markets, on the markets. Okay. So if you look at the Forex Factory, calendar website today, you'll see that the United States dollar, it's going to have a high impact news on Monday. That's tomorrow. So at 1:30 p.m., the fundamental news are the core retail sales, the Empire State Manufacturing Index, and the retail sales month to month. Okay, data. This news, they are high impact news, guys. So we're going to be on the lookout. Okay, that is for Monday. For Tuesday, we have the Great British Pound, the claimant count charge. Okay. We also have the Canadian dollar, the CPI, and the median CPI on CAD, Canadian dollar. So these are high impact news, guys. Okay. Also on Tuesday, we're going to have the Bank of England, Bailey speaks. So these are high impact news. Also, this will be around 6 p.m. Okay, 6:15 p.m. we have another Canadian dollar news coming out. Okay, and also that time we have the United States news. Okay, that is on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, Great British Pound. Great British Pound also 5 p.m. These are all local time. Okay, so sorry, let me reset this. Let me reset this time to be sure is in sync with my system time, guys. Okay, fine, it's in sync. Okay, so first of all, you have to visit Forex Factory, guys, to look at all the high impact news that will be coming out for the week. All right, so haven't done that, let's head over to the charts now. Okay, so guys, remember last week we're in NJ trade setups. Okay, we took some trades on NJ. And as you are all aware, that trade, we had to leave it to, have to carry it over to this week, okay, because we're confidently in the trade and the trade was going in our direction, guys, okay? So, but there's something I want to draw attention to. If you look at this chart from a technical standpoint, you see that this currency pair is bullish, okay? The market is bullish, okay, on NG. All right, so guys, I expect that this downtrend, if it should continue and is able to break this trend line to the downside, and we'll have a pullback to structure, which means that the market is coming to test these lows. Okay, this low here at 90.08 and another possible low here at 87.80. okay, these are the likely retracements. Okay, so for you to know how far this pullback is going to happen, the Fibonacci retracement tool will be able to guide us effectively. Mind you guys, I'm on the daily time frame. Okay, so let's take it from this low to this other low. All right, so you can see that market is likely to push into this 50% Fibonacci down to the 61.8 Fibonacci. These are all potential swing lows that we have in this market. Okay, so if you drop down to the 4-hour time frame, which was our entry time frame, you see that the market still has a lot of room to the downside. Okay, so that's why we are still holding onto this trade. All right, so guys, that is the outlook for NJ. Okay, so let me just bring it out so that you guys will see the market very clearly. NZD, Japanese yen, okay? We're in the 4-hour chart, okay? Let's make these 28, okay? All right, so this is the currency pair that we're trading, okay? Now let's look at gold. You know, gold was another market that was showing a very good potential for trading, okay? Guys, we looked at what was happening here. We saw that gold sold off massively, okay? Massively after the major rise, okay? After the major rise in price, okay? Of course, you know that this is a bull run on gold, and I told us the last time in my previous video, you know, what was responsible for this buying spree on gold, okay? So go back to my YouTube channel to watch that video. There may not be need to repeat all that here again, okay? So this week, what is the outlook? We are looking at, we're going to look for buy opportunity on gold. Let me just reduce, let me just remove this. Okay, so I prefer the screen like this, guys. So guys, we'll be looking for buy opportunity in gold in the coming week, okay, in this current trading week. And of course, you see that, you know, structure, the prices, you know, testing major key levels of the market. So guys, it's very instructive here what we are going to do in the coming week, okay? So now you can see that, you know, price has broken this level, okay, and you know, haven't created another, you know, price action below the trend line. Chances are that it's going to trade up to this level, okay? I may not be willing to short gold here, otherwise, okay, it is a selling opportunity, but shorting at this level, okay, may not be a very wise decision. However, we can short it, okay, because price has shown that it has broken below a key level, and what that means is that the market has a very high potential, high chances of still, you know, going to the downside. We've seen some major bullish reaction here, you know, indicated by this lower shadow here of this candlestick, okay? So there's still a room to the downside to short gold, okay? But so guys, we can short gold up to this level, okay, up to this major level. Let me show you guys. We can short gold up to this level, up to this key level, okay, of 2320, okay, down to this level, okay. So we'll see how that plays out in the week, okay. Until I see a very clear price action, I may not be able to trade gold for this week, okay. So I wait for other, you know, I wait for other high probability setup, you know, to before I'll be able to trade gold, okay. So the other market we're going to look at today is EURUSD. Let's look at EURUSD and see what this market is doing. Very interesting setup here, guys. We're going to look at the possibility of seeing a bottom, you know. The market may continue, you know, going down, you know. Of course, you know that gold and EURUSD, they are positively correlated. As EURUSD is shorted, gold is also, you know, on the downtrend, okay. So that is very good information for us to trade with, guys. So if we're shorting gold, we might also look at what EURUSD is doing and take advantage of that positive correlation between the two, you know, assets, okay. All right, so what other opportunities do we have this week? Let's look at GC, okay. So you can see this setup here. There could be opportunity here, but what I expect price to do, I expect price to push up to this dynamic levels, possibly to the 200 moving average, okay. So let's see what the higher time frame, market structure is here. It's a buyer's market, okay? It's a buyer's market. Of course, you can see that the market closed with a very strong, price action signal. Okay, for me, this is a Morningstar candlestick pattern. You can see the huge, bearish candle. You can see the doji in between. So this is the morning doji star pattern, okay? Morning doji star pattern, okay? This is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. So I may not be able to, go long here until I see further price action. Guys, okay? I have confirmation indicators that are better suited for this type of market. I use my stochastic indicator, which will tell me how well this market will buy, okay? So for me, there's an opportunity to buy in this market, okay? We'll see what the market will do in the coming days. Okay, I want to go long on this market. I don't want to trade against the trend here. I want to go long, guys, okay? You can see price has potentially come to the 200 moving average, with this pin bar here. And after this pin bar, another bullish price action has printed. So, guys, I'll be comfortable going long on, Great British Pound, Swiss franc, okay? For me, that's another a setup that we have for the week, okay? So, guys, I think we have done so much to, to be able to set a roadmap for the week on our trading activity. So, guys, just follow me as I'll be reviewing these setups on a daily basis before we take or enter any of the trade, guys. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video. In summary, the market has shown very good potentials, okay? Beginning from AJ, where we want to continue our short position to up to key levels here, that we've identified, okay? On a GC, okay, we looked at it. We've seen a potential buy trade opportunity here, looking at what price action is doing here. Okay, you can see that the market has printed a very bullish rejection candlestick pattern. Okay, and we want to wait and see what further price will do from here. So, but let's look at the daily time frame and see what the overall market structure is here. The overall market structure here, guys, it's indicative of a bullish action, okay, a bearish action, sorry. So we can recalibrate this chart this way, guys. Let me show you how we can recalibrate this chart. Okay, I looking at the market from this perspective. Okay, looking at the market from this perspective, you can see that this is an expanding triangle. Okay, or we can create a wedge or a flag. Okay, we can create a flag pattern out of this, guys. So let me just delete this and duplicate this chart. Okay, so guys, just follow me. This is how I analyze the market. Okay, so we can have a structure like this. Okay, so what that tells me is that this market may likely drop down up to this structure level. Okay, if you look at my confirmation indicator, it is pointing to that to that direction. So guys, I'll look for a shorting opportunity here to short Great British Pound, Canadian dollar. But if we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, okay, let's see whether we can see additional signal to the upside, okay, or rather to the downside. All right, you can see what the market is doing. This is overly bullish. This overly bullish rejection, okay, and market has printed an indecision candle here. So guys, until you see what this market will do going forward, we may not be able to short this market. Okay, we may not be able to short this market. So I want to see further price action, guys. I want to see further price action. But on the daily time frame, I think we have a signal here. Okay, we have a signal here, waiting to see what price will do further, to the downside before we'll be able to enter this market. I want to see another candlestick pattern. This is a bearish engulfing pattern here on the daily time frame. Okay, so what that meant is that the market, what I mean is that the market will continue to push down, okay, and also closed this bearish. So let's see what the market will offer here, guys. I prefer taking this market from the daily time frame, because from the daily time frame I can see a clear pattern. I can see a clear pattern that will enable me to trade this market. Okay, all right. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. Let me just delete all this markup that I had last week. Okay, let me delete them and reposition them for the week. Okay, so guys, these are the things we have prepared for the week. Okay, so guys, an interesting trading week. There are a lot of opportunities. Do not overtrade, guys. If you have a couple of trades set up, open, follow them up and continue from where you stopped last week. There's no point opening up new trades, okay, because you will just lose focus. So concentrate on the trade you already have set up, and I'm sure, guys, you are going to win as long as you trade with proper risk management. Okay, so guys, thank you very much and do have a blessed trading week. Bye bye.